There's a foot of snow upon the ground. The wind's been howling for a week. The kids are home for the holidays, and my faucet's got a leak. But I'm happy as an eagle, flying high and looking far, 'cause I'm sitting here loving you. Playing my guitar. Christmas will be coming soon. There are no presents neath the tree. The bills, they are a-piling up, but they don't threaten me. I'm as happy as a rabbit, cozy in my lair, 'cause I'm sitting here kissing you. Playing my guitar. The world is always playing games with our hearts and with our minds. But if you've got health and love, life is being kind. If troubles they surround you, don't let them get you down. The good Lord wants to bless you, and you'll make out somehow. So have your children round you and hold the one you love. But your life will never be complete till you learn to play guitar.